factor the denominators. What kind of factoring are we going to have to do on these denominators? Okay. Before you say that it's going to be the not simple quadratic, recognize that this 3 is a factor of every term. So you can do greatest common factor to simplify it. And the same thing in the second denominator. Right? You actually don't have to do the most complicated kind of factoring here. You can do this first. X over factor of 3 from every term. 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 2 minus 2x plus 1. 3 times x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, we still got some factoring to do, but at least it's not that long, complicated process, right? How is this going to factor? X minus 2 times x minus 1, right? So that's x over 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 1. All right, second fraction, minus 2x plus 1. How is that going to factor? Two numbers product is -2 and sum is 1. Okay? X minus 1 times x plus 2. Okay. Least common denominator. Let's see, every factor that we see. 3, x minus 2, x minus 1. Right? Jump to the other fraction. 3, x minus 1, we've already got, and there's an x plus 2. So now that we have, there's the least common denominator, what's this denominator missing that we need to multiply by? X plus 2. So multiply x plus 2 over x plus 2. What's this denominator missing? The x minus 2. So x minus 2 over x minus 2. Okay, now everything has the same denominator. Add or subtract. Simplify the numerator, subtract. So this first one will be x squared plus 2x. Minus, and here's where I'm going to use parentheses to make sure I use that negative correctly. Now I need to FOIL these two, right? That'll be 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times -2 is -4x, and then x times 1 is 1x, so it's -3x. And 1 times -2 is -2. Okay, now I need to take a step and distribute the minus. That's going to flip the sign of everything. So here we've got x squared plus 2x minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 2 divided by 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 2. Okay, we still have to simplify the numerator, combine like terms. So we've got x squared minus 2x squared. 2x plus 3x. And we still have a plus 2. And then the denominator, 3 times x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 2. So again, the critical step where we make a mistake on this is right there. That if you didn't write the parentheses around that, you would have just written negative 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. You would have had the wrong sign on these two. And that we make that mistake over and over again. So always, if it's a subtract problem, make sure that you put parentheses around so that you subtract everything appropriately. Times it.